tree. All right, 8:11 now. Let's talk about the rain. We got a flood advisories all over the place, Blake.
And a brand new flash flood warning in effect for northeastern Harris County. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Very heavy rain continuing to fall this morning across portions of Harris County, Montgomery County, and Waller County. So as we put the radar into motion, a front slipping in from the north, showers and thunderstorms moving in from the south. They are colliding here just to the north of Houston. Very heavy rain being observed, and that's why we do have a flood warning in effect now, a flash flood warning in effect in this green box. So first off, there's a flood advisory for the larger box here. That does include Dyersdale, Highlands, and Barrett. That is until 9:30. But there's your flash flood warning for the bright green box. This is going to be near Lake Houston Dam until 11 o'clock. In fact, we're picking up 4.3 inches of rain here just in the last hour or so on the southern end of Lake Houston. So flooding is imminent in the northeastern portions of Harris County. Another flood advisory in effect here for southern Waller County, northwestern Fort Bend County. That does include Weston Lakes. Katy and Brookshire are included in that. We're seeing rainfall amounts approaching 3.5 inches of rain, if not 4 inches in some areas. 3.1 there just to the south of Weston Lakes, 1.7 just to the north. Brookshire coming in at 2, 2.6 north of Katy, but look behind me there. There's your 3.7, at least according to the radar there to the east of Dyersdale on the southern end of Lake Houston, but officially, according to the National Weather Service, picking up 4.3 inches, and it continues to come down extremely heavy here. And so we're easily going to pick up another 1 to 3 inches of rain. So if you live in a low-lying area here in northeastern Harris County, be mindful the rain is not going to let up anytime soon. Also looking for very heavy rain here down the Southwest Freeway. This is going to include Sugar Land, Missouri City, DeWalt, getting into Fresno. Again, you can see it continues to redevelop over the same areas. Greatwood also picking up very heavy rain and now some lightning as well. I would not be surprised to see a flood advisory issued for Fort Bend County to include the cities of Sugar Land, getting down towards Greatwood and Missouri City. So be mindful of that. Already closing in on 3 to 4 inches of rain in some parts of that county. Also looking possibly for a flood advisory here very soon for the central portions of Montgomery County. A hefty line of showers and thunderstorms from Grangerland to Conroe, getting out towards Echo to the south of Keenan. This is going to be right along 105 here. So if your travels are taking you from Conroe, say out towards Navasota, maybe you're headed up to College Station, you're going to run into some very nasty weather there just to the north of the Woodlands. Same situation there, 1 to 3 inches of rain likely over the course of the next hour. So heavy rain blinding at times. Flooding will be low-lying. But if the rain keeps coming down at the rate it's coming, say on the southern end of Lake Houston or getting into portions of Fort Bend County, we may have to begin to watch for the possibility of some street flooding, widespread street flooding in those locations. Lightning will be frequent. Severe chances are actually low for today, and tornadoes are not expected. Taking a live look out over downtown Houston. Boy, it just looks ominous out there. And it's dry here in the downtown area currently. 78 degrees at Bush Airport with a north-northwesterly wind right around 6 miles per hour. Temperatures holding in the upper 70s to lower 80s across the Houston area. Not looking for a very warm day at all, thanks in part to the clouds and heavy rain. We do have a southeasterly wind, 963, 13 miles an hour down there on Galveston Island. Now, your future track indicating the rain and thunderstorms will be with us throughout the day. This is 9 o'clock here. I think the model has initiated a little too far south. I think we need to move this up just a little bit. But by 10:30, you can see how the rain begins to expand heading into 2:30 with the heat of the day. So we are not done with the rain yet. In fact, we're going to see rain, it looks like, all the way through at least 6 o'clock. But by the time the celebrations get started downtown, we might get some dry weather into the Houston area, but it will be back heading into your Sunday. So keep the umbrellas handy all weekend long, it looks like, as the rain continues here across southeast Texas. So let's go ahead and jump right into your 7-day here. 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, 60% heading into your Sunday and into Monday, and then back to typical garden variety storms heading into early and middle part of next week. Ron.
All right.